But I was,
Yeah.
and she's really good about keeping phone calls and that kind of thing, making sure I'm okay. And it's like, yeah, I'm doing fine.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The three weeks that she missed, she's calling me, and even on Sunday she was calling me saying, okay, are you okay? Because I know you don't have staff. Are you all right? And I was like, yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Like.
So
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get in there, but I'll be out after as soon as it's over.
Oh, yeah.
And like if you want to go to my place and
Oh,
relax, you can.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I'm okay. I'm like, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
yeah. Yeah, no, it should be good. I mean, yeah, a little breeze, but.
Well, thank God. I mean, Napa's got them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No. Oh, yeah. Like, yeah. I just see like neighborhoods like different. Not especially over by Redwood Parking Lot. I get
You know
pretty
what? I
hot over
forget
there.
that that's over there because it's been so long.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No.
I mean, I haven't driven since probably since I was in my 30s.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Even that was even before I had the epilepsy. The
Yeah.
time that I had it. So.
Yeah. No, I just. Yeah. No, I just started driving like recently. I mean, a couple years, but I still I don't like it, but in one way, yeah, it's just a lot of responsibilities. But normally for like if I want to go somewhere, that's the only time I really do drive. Other than that, I don't drive at all. Like work, yeah, but everything else,
I get it.
yeah,
I get it. I mean,
yeah, no,
he was the I heard Richard today.
yeah,
Or Kevin
oh,
today. He says, do you know you run about 3 miles? I said, yeah, that's about right.
yeah,
And he was when we got by Walmart today.
uh-huh,
He was driving around.
uh-huh,
He checked his mileage and he went down and says, that's about
yeah,
a mile and a quarter or something like that. And he says, if you're
yeah,
running there and then you're running back and then you're
uh-huh,
doing the pear tree and everything,
yeah,
you've done over 3 miles. I said,
yeah, oh yeah. No, people walk kind of that. That's kind of the walking speed. Running's
well, see,
slightly
I tend to
higher.
walk slow. So when
Yeah.
I
Oh, yeah.
run,
Oh,
and it's
yeah.
not really a run, it's a jog.
Yeah. Oh,
But
yeah. It's.
and I won't do it tomorrow morning, but
Yeah.
and I won't do it Sunday because it's kind of like days
Yeah.
off. But
Yeah.
I'll go back to it on
Yeah.
Monday,
Oh,
and
yeah.
I'll do it maybe the 4th of July morning, and then figure out what I'm doing.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. No, it's. Yeah. I know he kind of is sensitive. I don't know. Some people are sensitive to like certain sounds too, so it's gonna be a lot of complaining that whole day, that whole night. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's something I don't deal with too well. But yeah, no, yeah, I'm not just having like neighbors that for a long time they used to do fireworks, but not anymore.
Well,
Except for
like
one
here,
neighbor that still does it. But
they're going to allow fireworks, but they're not. You can't be in the Oxborough
oh,
Park.
Oxbow. Oh
Yeah,
yeah, Oxbow. Yeah,
yeah.
I've been there.
You
I
can't.
took my friends there too,
Yeah,
not that long
you can
ago.
go there during the day, but you can't be there at night because they
That's
said
a safety thing
well,
too.
you know what? If that were the case,
Yeah.
okay, when Bottle Rock is happening, what
Hmm.
about the safety there? Because there's thousands of people there. What about the
Yeah.
fair? And what
Hmm.
they're saying is it's a fire. Okay, well, wait a minute.
Uh-huh.
You know,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh
And then they
yeah.
said pollution. Well, come on. But then he
That's
said the
not what
biggest
they're
thing is
saying.
noise.
Hmm.
Noise? Come on.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh.
So,
Yeah. Mhm. Yeah.
doing good.
Yeah. Yeah. No, just kind of. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so do you need anything cold to drink?
Oh no, no. Oh
All right,
no.
but like I said,
Oh yeah. No, I do. Yeah, I do. I do much better when it's hot. I function better. Oh yeah.
well, I can understand it because when I lost all the weight, which I'm trying to take off now, I knew what cold was. And it's kind of
Uh-huh.
like Kevin took
Uh-huh.
me out to eat today, and it was like, you know
Uh-huh.
what? He's like, I'm gonna order this, this, and this. I said,
Uh-huh.
Kevin, just order me this little thing,
Uh-huh.
because I'll be lucky if I can finish it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So, anyway, we're
Yeah.
getting. I got 7 minutes,
Oh, uh-huh.
so I'll be back.
Oh yeah.
You
Yeah.
gonna be okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah. I wonder what this. Oh boy. Hey, she's so damn annoying. They're conservative and she's so fucking conservative and fucking liar. Damn, she won't stop talking about her stupid surgery that no one cares about. Yeah, she's a fucking conservative. Yeah, far right. She's a Trump, basically. Female version of Trump. Anyway, ugh, fucking irritating.